guys, today we're doing a scratch video. It's Athlete Wolf and Pilot Wolf. And Pilot Wolf is sitting right here. And the project is loading. So I'm making a Awana TNT verse memorization, and here like the pages being flipped. That's my Awana verse right here. And I've got to go to section 1-3 because that's where I am. And so the main verse is 1 John 2:1. Now, this one will have to be deleted. So you can make this, I don't know if you know, but if you press this but don't do anything, you get a blank sprite, which is extremely useful for things like this. And then I can just switch to scripts and then looks. Actually, I should probably go to events first. So basically the way this program works, it's super simple. You go A, you press A and it'll send you your first verse. And Pilot Wolf just left, that's what you heard, him leaving. And so I'm putting this in, so you should just type in your verse right here. And so my Awana leader wants me to say it at the beginning and the end. So the reference to the beginning and the end. So in case you're wondering, that's why I've done that. So I'm going to pause this real quick while I type the verse in. You may need to use multiple ones. So, but I recommend dragging it over here, so you have to use as few as possible. But see you back, and so it says. So you can see it says the verse here for 20 seconds, because that's approximately how long it'll take for me to read it out loud. And then speaks to then 14 seconds, because that's approximately how long it'll take, but we will experiment. But okay, A. 1 John 2:1. My dear children, I write this to you so that you will not sin. But if anyone does sin, we have one who I think we're going to have to make this a whole lot shorter. More like 10 seconds. And then this one I'll make 4 seconds. Okay. That works. 1 John 2:1. My dear children, I write this to you so that you will not sin. But if anyone does sin, we have one who speaks to the Father in our defense, Jesus Christ, the righteous one. 1 John 2:1. So this one I think needs to be like more like 5. This one needs to be more like 8, but pretty close. So you just need to keep on experimenting until you find the perfect time. This is an optional step, but it does make it better for you, and if you're publishing it, it's better for everybody else. But I will be leaving a link to this if you don't want to do the whole thing by yourself. But for me, 8 seconds and 5 seconds work perfectly for this verse, but we have to do this again. So for this one, just put when B So this is, I think you'll do the same thing, so I'll see you once on the other side. So the next part is a bit difficult, so I will explain this to you. But yeah, so here's how this works. So I don't know if you've ever heard of picture memorization. It's when you think of pictures in your mind. So we're going to do that. So I'll show you how to do this. So for this, I'm going to get Abby and maybe just gonna get people, I guess. I see to get more than one people. I'm preferring a boy and a girl, but I'm fine either way. But D looks good, but there's nobody else who really has. as many as D, and so then I'm going to use Abby too. Because those are our two sprites. So this may interfere. I hope not. But I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I'm fine with like the default pictures for Abby. New costume is like this. That's all. So costume 1 and Abby A. That's what we're using for Abby here. No. Clear. So she just needs a clear one. And then for D, we use the same thing. Now D needs 6 costume, and we're just going to do the same thing for D. But so when this might be good for C, and then we're going to use C key. I'm going to think which D I like better. Looks kind of like annoying, this one. I'm going to choose DE for him. So switch costume from costume 1 to DE. And I'm going to do the same thing here for Abby. So I'm going to pause it while I do Abby's. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm just going to complete these. So, and I've go out to make one more sprite. So if I can't find the correct sprite, he's got to be a person too. Yeah, this might not work, but yeah, I'll be back in a sec. The program all sorted out and a few more things in, but that did not work. Yes, it's much harder to work with some of these sprites than others, but yeah, we've got a problem. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to pause this while I sort that out. So see you. So I'm back, and so we're just gonna press the C key again. Finally! Yes, that's what should happen once you press the C key. So let's look at the verse. So actually, we're gonna just press the A key for this, but my dear child, I write this to you, so yeah, so this is a very difficult thing. So it's a bit difficult, but I'm going to do a bit of sorting out, but I'm just going to have these switched from their original costumes. Actually, I think I'm going to end the video here, but I'll leave a link in the description to this video, like to the actual program once it's done. But yeah, so basically how you do it is it's just a concept of visual memorization. It helps you capture it. So yeah, see you.